Heading northbound in the state of Maine, where the pine sweet air washes off the pain. Fresh and clean with the road stretched wide, I leave the noise of the world behind. And tar turns to dirt where the tall trees lean, and the wild opens up like a waking dream. And that again when I find my retreat, where the river runs cold and the silence speaks. Burke's outdoors rolling on, out where the daylight stays long. Not just a channel on a screen, it's a living stream, fast and free. Burke's outdoors, you're the 18. Couldn't make
Well, hold once again. I'm gonna come here every single week if I can. I want to have a good summer. Oh, let's get her on inside. Well, then start unpacking. Feels good to be back. In the old yurt. In the old bed. Check out the stars while you're sleeping. Heck yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna bring in my groceries and I'll be back with you guys here in a little bit. We'll go for a ride and maybe head up into the park. Not really sure. But I will catch up with you guys here in just a little bit. See you then. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I guess we're gonna head into the back side of the park for a little while and maybe do some fly fishing. See if we can't get a brookie or two. No pets allowed, no motor vehicles, no vehicles over 9 foot high. And you guys can read the rest of it. Well, I gotta tell my friend she gotta get out. No pets allowed. I'm just joking. Alright, let's see if we can go hook onto a brookie, huh? Let's do this.
Join the trail, let the good times go. Hit subscribe before you go. Burke's outdoors rolling on, out where the daylight stays long. Not just a channel on a screen, it's a living stream, fast and free. Burke's outdoors.
Well, this is gonna be the first place I'm gonna try fishing. See if we can't pop a brookie up out of here. Maybe, maybe not. Hopefully we can. There's a little eddy over here. I think I might try that. Down in that deep hole. See what happens. And then we'll go from there. So this is the Ledges Trail. So you can see some of the mountain and some of the AT, and I'm going to show you the waterfall that goes out to it. Very pretty. Crystal clear water, you can just drink it. Beautiful. This is what I like about Maine right here. You can pretty much drink all the water you want and not get sick. Well, not all the water, but up here in northern Maine, you can rent the canoes, go out, catch some nice brookies. Oh, we got a fella out there right now fly fishing. So beautiful. The songbirds are singing to us. Getting any? I don't think he heard me. So pretty here.
Oh, you talking to me? No, I'm not getting any, but I'm in the pond.
Nothing yet, huh?
Beautiful afternoon.
Yeah, gorgeous. I mean, look how clear this water is. Just like glass. Well, I'm gonna see if I can catch fish, and I'll be with you when I hook onto some fish. See you then. He just had a hatch, so now I know what to use for flies. So pretty. The AT cross is right there. I don't know if you can see the other side of it, but I'm gonna try fishing down below, see what happens. What a beautiful day. Well, I will check here in with you guys in just a little bit. I'll see you then. This is when you catch the big trout, when you walk into these spots. Well, I'll see you guys here shortly. Probably chub. Yep. Chubby wubby. I'm cursed. I don't know. I gotta break this curse. I don't know what it is. Chubville lately. Damn. What in the fuck? Who says that big old fucker? Pissed on me, you prick. Look at the eggs on his face. I said you got bad acne problem. One of the two. Where you going, girl? See you later. See you tomorrow. Going to visit somebody else. Well, so I got good news and bad news. I caught a couple fish, but nothing major, nothing that I wanted. The bad news is I have a flat tire, and not gonna change it till tomorrow because I didn't want to miss out on fishing. So, fishing hasn't been that well. They must have let some water into the river because the river is some high. So I mean, hasn't been great. Getting a few here and there. There's the moose shed, one of the cabins they rent here at Matagamon. I mean, this place has been booked for days. Even the camper sites and the tent sites, they're all pretty much taken. Pretty popular place, it's booming. Now if the water would go down about a foot or a foot and a half, it'd be pretty good. The old beaver's lodge, they're all rented all the way down. The fox den, the bear's den, all of them. I'm sorry, not the fox den, the foxhole. But I'm gonna try my luck down here a little bit, and then go back to the cabin and cook some fish up and maybe call it a night. We'll see. But I'll be back with you guys here shortly. I'm gonna go try down here and let's hope for the best, huh? I'll see you guys in a few. What's going on, guys? Got my Star Spangled Banner stuff going on, you know. Plane's still coming in. Oh. Have a nice little fire. Well, they opened up the dam and the river's really high right now, so pretty hard fishing right now, but hopefully tomorrow it'll go down a little bit. But we're gonna cook up some fillets here shortly, and maybe tomorrow I'll have some filet mignon. I don't know, we'll see. But for now, we're just gonna chill around the fire. Oh yeah, get those butt cheeks warm. Woo! Chestnut rope. No, I'm just joking. Had a great day today though, saw a couple moose. Besides the flat tire, it's been an awesome day. Pretty much right on the river, couldn't ask for anything better. I'm gonna try to start coming here every weekend. Well, between here and a couple other places. Got a lot of memories here. Great place. I wouldn't even know about this place if it wasn't for a family I know. But it definitely resets the reset button, that's for sure. But I'm gonna get cooking and I'll be with you guys here shortly. There we go, some nice fresh fish right there. Oh, that shit look good. Oh shit, that shit don't even fit in the fry pan. Dang, I think I got too small of a pan here. That's definitely a midget pan. Sorry to the midgets, I don't mean to tease you, I'm just saying. Come on. We'll just chop her up a little bit like Zorro here. Here we go. Yeah, she fits good enough there. Make anything fit right. There we go. Get some butter up on that. Chef Burke. Yeah, right. I'll probably burn the house down. No, I'm just joking. Nothing like camping, eating fish, then go sit by the fire outside. Get bit all to hell. Need a blood transfusion from the mosquitoes. Oh, shit. You had a lot of these old propane like gas lights. I love them. They're pretty cool. Oh, heck yeah. Check that out. Oh, look at the spices and the juices just are running on that. Oh. It almost looks like I know what I'm doing. Half the time I don't, but... Oh. What a night. Sitting out by the old river. Watching the fire flicker. Couldn't ask for anything better. Maybe a couple less mosquitoes, but besides that, pretty good night. Cook up some s'mores. Listen to the crickets singing. Fire flickering. Heck yeah. What a night. Listening to the river in the background. The chirpers singing their songs. I wish this is what life was all the time, right here. Nothing like a nice, gorgeous walk out here in Metagamon. So pretty. Great night for a walk. Well, it's been a wonderful day full of adventures. I'm gonna lay down and watch the stars and say my prayers and hit the sack. And hopefully tomorrow will be an awesome, great day and I catch a lot of fish. But until then, I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you all. Appreciate you all. Thanks for following along. And I will see you guys in the morning. Take care. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Well, yesterday was pretty exciting. Yeah. Anyway, caught a bunch of fish. Caught a lot of chub too. Tons of chub. But not that many trout, so I don't know really what is going on up here. But I think the water's just warming up way too fast. But besides that, the fishing's been alright. Had some guy run us off into the woods yesterday and flatten our tire. That was not cool. It was either me hit him head on or go into the ditch a little bit, and they cut the side of the road just a tiny bit, so those little spiky ends, you know, from the alders there, slice the side of the tire wall, and yeah. So we gotta change that, and then be back on the journey. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's starting to pour a little bit, which I was hoping the whole weekend would be sun, but you know, wish in one hand, shit in the other. So, anyways, I will catch you guys on the road or on a stream or out in the bush somewhere or somewhere. So until then, I will catch you guys later. See you then. Well, this is day 2. Time to go bye-bye, which I do not want to leave. But I'll be back next week and do it all over again, and hopefully we'll catch more fish. They let a lot of the water out of the lake into the river, so I was up to the store talking to them. That's what happened, so I figured as much anyway. But well, let's see what we can find on our adventure home, huh? Well, ladies and gentlemen, on our way back on our little journey, we found the old prehistoric dinosaur. That thing's been laying some eggs. Hey there, girl. What you doing? Dropping a couple deuces? Well, I'll let you drop your eggs in peace. You eyeballing me? Oh. Alright, I'll leave you alone, Mama. Lay your eggs. Take care. See you later. Peace out. Holy cow, I must be Turtle Man today. They're everywhere. Hey, what's up, man? I just saw your cousin up the road. What's hanging? Well, Mr. Turtle, you're gonna have to get out of the road so I can get by. Alright? Alrighty. Well, made a pit stop at Scraggly Lake. Beautiful, beautiful spot. Oh, we got a little birdie on the rock right there. It looks like a baby woodpecker. Looks like somebody tried stealing the old picnic table or something, a little cricket. I used to eat a lot of family lunches here. Look, the Burke family was here. Huh. Gabby shot her first partridge up here, actually. So pretty up here. I've been up here so many times, but I don't think I've wet a line. I think I'm gonna try it, see what happens. You want to grab the truck or do you want me to? Be cool to hook on to something. What a beautiful day. I was hoping the sun would be out, but I'll take this. Well, I'll catch up with you guys here in just a few minutes. See you then. Well, we're going to make a sandwich real quick before we get back on the road and maybe hit a few more fishing spots and get her done. See you guys in a bit. Well, we just got done cooking up a steak and making a sandwich. And I think we're going to head her on out. Just wanted to show you the little Scraggly Lake. Scraggly Lake is beautiful. I'll take you over to the little A-frame lean-to little houses you can camp in. Pretty cool. Right up here. I knew I felt something looking at me. I always find weird stuff in trees. If you look at my other videos. And I swear I don't put these things here. Do you guys see? Who is this gentleman? In loving memory of Carl L. Grant. April 20th, 1944 to May 18th, 2026. Whoever put that there, if you see one of my videos, leave a comment. Must have been one of his favorite places, I'm guessing. Rest in peace, buddy. Pretty cool, though. Huh. Well, it's actually a pretty cool idea. See, I'm not the only sentimental one. I still have fishing poles from my grandfather and my great-grandfather. And I still use them once in a great while. Oh, sorry, I almost flipped over that stump. But yeah, here's one of them right here. Nice little fire pit. They even leave a little tarp in there for you. Yep. Pretty good size. Yes, sir. Well, get back on the old dirt road and pop some dust up, and I will catch up with you guys here or wherever the road takes me. See you then. Well, I found another clever spot to try to get to without breaking my neck. Try by this waterfall here. Right down in there we'll try it. Pretty cool little spot. Nice to get a brookie right there. Don't break my neck first. Nice little beaver dam up there. Oh, let's see if I can pull a brookie out of this little pool right here. Nice little native, I'll show you in just a second. Oh, wow. Pretty colors. There it goes. Oh, another nice brookie. Look at that. Hey, he's got a wild, man. Another nice little brookie. Nice native. We'll put this guy back. little tiny, tiny baby. Huh? Let that one go. Another little brookie. Pulling the brookies right out now. Alright, get that. Another nice little brookie. Give yourself a chance. Dumb bastard. Put it right here. There he goes. Pulling trout after trout out right here. Not a bad little spot. I'm gonna try to climb up here. There's a nice big beaver dam up there and see if we can't pull a brookie out of there. Let's see if we can get a couple brookies up here at this old beaver dam. See what happens. Well, this is what it looks like up here. I'm thinking we can catch a trout or two up here too. What are you guys thinking? Let's try it. The beaver's doing some chewing for sure. But I've been pulling some nice little brookies right up out of here. Pretty little spot. Well, let's see what we can do. Just try around the other side of this first. Be with you guys here in a minute. Well, I don't know what's going on. I've only had one little bite right here. But it looks pristine too. I don't understand. But I'm going to go back down towards the falls where I was catching them. See what happens. But I'm going to try here for a few more minutes. This looks pristine to me. The ugly stick. You guys got to use the ugly sticks. Nice pulls. But anyways, I'll be back with you guys here shortly. Hopefully with a fish on. I'm going to try fishing this, see if I can pull a couple brookies out and let's hope it's fresh. See you in a bit. So. Well, caught 6 altogether, but threw the rest back. Not bad for little stream brookies. Nice red spots. The other one has some nice blue halos on it. They faded a little bit, but not bad. I'm going to go try one other spot before I head home, but after that I am homeward bound. See you guys in a few. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are going on a little hike. Nobody knows what this is. I found it once upon a time, and I was catching brook trout out of it when I was 10 years old. Okay, catch my breath for a minute. Can't say there's gonna be any brook trout in there now, but this is how you find spots right here. You just walk out in the middle of nowhere. I don't even care if they're 6-inch ones. They'll be native. Just fun to catch to see if they're still here, that's all. You got a little brookie. Cute little native. Look how beautiful they are here. I got you right up to the nostril, bud. Oh, fuck. Oh. That must hurt. Well, oh, come on, dude. Look at the halos on them. Tiny little brookies. We'll put them back. They're still here. 10 years later. Perfect. Little stocking side trout right here. And they're pretty. Look at the blue halos on this little one. They almost look painted on. Pretty, huh? Just a little guy, little fella. That one's got a nice orange belly on it. Ooh. Got you right up to the gill plate. I should cut the barbs off these. Wow, bud. Plucking them right out like nothing. Like nobody's business. Little babies, but I can't leave this guy, but look how pretty those are. I mean, I've never seen one with just 2 halos on it. That's crazy. That little guy. You know what? Find your own way to the water. I'm done.